Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I'm here at Dollar General. It is Sunday, September 15th, and we have new coupons out. We have new glitches. We have new run deals. We just have deals, deals, deals. So, guys, you're probably going to be busy if you're out at the store today or if you're going all week. So go ahead and get your paper out so you could take some notes, and make sure you have Ibotta downloaded. Make sure you have Fetch downloaded because everyone has amazing offers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the subscription button along with the bell right next to it so that you can get notified every time I put up a new deal. And yes, it's still on the way to 15K because I haven't gotten there, but it's probably my fault because I haven't put out many videos. But that was because I was getting ready for my book launch, guys. I launched my book yesterday. I had my book signing. The news covered it. I sold out. And I'm just like over the moon. And if anyone's interested, the name of my book is HBCU Bound. It is a guided journal to help students decide which HBCU is right for them. So if you have a chance, go ahead on over to Amazon and grab you a copy of my guided journal. Yes, that is a selfish plug, although I know this is a video about couponing at Dollar General, but I just had to share that with you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is a deal that you're going to need Ibotta to do this deal. They do not have this rebate available for you on the Dollar General app as DG Cash. It is for Ibotta only. And they had this deal before on Ibotta, but it may have been for a little more. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But it is on these here Arm & Hammer odor blasters, the scent boosters, or the beads, whatever you want to call them. They are $6, and it is the 24 ounce. You have to get the 24 ounce, and it doesn't matter what scent. My store only has this one scent here, but if your store has another scent, it will work. They're $6, and look, Ibotta's giving us $4 back. Now, you can only get one, but that's still a good deal. That brings them down to $2 for this huge bottle of scent boosters. Excellent, excellent deal, guys. So if you need them, go ahead and grab them. I'm not going to grab them right now. I'm probably going to save them for like another deal or whatever, but this is a great deal, okay? All right, so the first deal that I'm going to concentrate on is another laundry deal. You guys know I try to get laundry deals as much as I can. And what it is on some Purex and Snuggle products, okay? So I'm going to grab one of these Purex that are priced at $6. It looks like they only have the Mountain Breeze. Let me look here, guys, just to double check. Yep, that's the only scent that I see that they have. But if your store has other scents, please feel free to grab those other scents. My store only has this scent, so this is the one that I'm going to have to take advantage of. So when you scan that into your app, you're going to see that they come up $6. Now, I'm going to grab one of them. You can grab two if you want, but I'm just going to grab one. When you scan that into the app, you see this digital coupon comes up that is buy 2 Purex liquid or 28 to 35 count Snuggle, or 28 to 35 count, and that's the Purex pods is what they mean, or Snuggle 21 ounce crystals for $10, okay? So, for instance, if you grab 2 of those, that would be $12, right? But with the digital coupon, they would only be $10. So that's a good deal right there, right? You're saving $2. But guys, look, there's also this $1 cash back that attaches to it also. So you could get that, and that will bring it down even lower. But like I said, I'm only going to get, I'm going to grab one of those because I'm going to take advantage of another product that goes along with this. Okay, so they said that you can get 2 of the snuggle beads. So I'm going to go around the corner here and we're going to grab 2 of those. I mean 1 of those, so that makes it 2 because it is 2 for $10 on the coupon. Now I'm going to warn you guys, do not grab these purple ones. They do not work. They're not a part of the deal. And if you scan it, you see it's not a part of the deal. But if you look on the coupon, you see only the blue ones are part of the deal, not the purple. And as far as the Purex, you can get the $6 Purex. You can get the 4-in-1 Purex. I call them pods, but they call them packs. The 28 count. Okay, for $5.75. They're all 2 for $10. So I'm going to grab these beads. Okay. So with the coupon, you guys know they're going to come up 2 for $10. So we think that we're going to pay $10, right? But guys, look what else attaches to it. If my phone will cooperate, there is the instant savings or a special offer or a deal. I don't know what you want to call it. That is 2 for $10 also. And you're going to get another $2 off of that. Now, I don't know if they meant for this instant savings to work like that for the 2 for $10, plus put that digital Dollar General digital coupon for you to get 2 for $10 on there too. But what happens, they work together, okay? And you can use the $1 cash back for the Purex liquid, or you can head on over to Ibotta, and Ibotta also has that same cashback offer on their system, okay, for $1 back. And the snuggle beads, when you scan them, you see 2 for $10 digital coupon, 2 for $10 the savings, and then you can get $2 cash back for the beads. And yep, just like the Purex liquid, Ibotta also has that same deal on the beads, $2 off. Okay, so I'm going to ring this up separate because I want you to see how that comes out. But I just want you guys to know that there's a couple ways you can do this. You can grab 2 of these. You can grab 2 of these, or you can grab 1-in-1 like I'm doing. So your math is, you're going to have to adjust your math if you grab 2 of these or 2 of these, okay? So we're going to head up to the register and let's see how it turns out. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car. Everything worked out great, and let's go over our receipt. So there is the Purex liquid laundry detergent for $6. You're going to see that the store discount came off twice, $1 for each one. So that is because we had a store digital coupon, 2 for $10, so that took the $1 off. And then we had the 2 for $10 instant savings. That's where the other $1 comes at. Then there you have the snuggle beads for $6. Again, you see the store discount for $1 2 times on the receipt. Again, it's the digital coupon and the instant savings. So that brought our total down to $8. And you guys know we don't discuss tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. But guys, our savings does not stop there. So on this transaction, I actually used the DG Cash option. So here you see, I only got back $2 in DG Cash, but I should have gotten back $3. It is not Dollar General's fault, it's my fault. Let me show you what I got. So when I click on it, you see there's my completed transaction, there's my Snuggle, and there's my Purex. So I got my $2 DG cash back for my Snuggles, but I didn't get it for my Purex because I didn't clip it to my account. So guys, please make sure you clip that to your account, all right? Or else it's not going to work. And yes, seasoned couponers do mess up, and we do forget to clip stuff. So I wanted to show you guys what I did, where my mistake came in at, because I don't want you to do it. So if I would have clipped that, I would have gotten $3 back. $3 minus 8 is $5. So that would have been a total of $5. But guess what? The savings doesn't stop there. I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and Fetch gave me even more off. So let me show you guys what Fetch is doing. So Fetch has an offer. When you buy $3 worth of Snuggle products at Dollar General, they're going to give you 700 points. 700 points equals 70 cents. You can do that deal 3 times. Now, how did I get credit for 2 of them? Because what Dollar General's doing, or actually what Fetch is doing, they're actually taking the original price of the Snuggle. They are not including the store discounts and the coupons, which is what they usually do when you purchase something to come up with your out-of-pocket and give you your points. So Fetch is glitching, and they are giving you the full price credit. So that's how I was able to take advantage of this deal 2 times. So that means I was getting back 700 points twice. You see, I got that. Ignore the 350 points that I used an account that I haven't used in a long time. So they gave me 350 points for that. But if you are using an account that you always use, you're only going to get the 700 points twice, which is 1,400 points, which is $1.40. So when you subtract $1.40 plus the $2 back cash back for the Purex, and the $2 cash back for the Snuggle, excuse me, the $1 cash back for the Purex and the $2 cash back for the Snuggles, guys, that brings your total all the way down to $3.60 or $1.80 for each of these laundry items. So go out, do your deal, come back, let me know how you did it. And until the next time, keep on saving.